Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, parallel lines. This topic is related to geometry. If two lines lying on the same plane never meet, mean when two lines are going and never meet, you can see that this line and this line are not meet any point because these lines have the same distance everywhere. Touch or intersect at any point, then these are called parallel lines are shown below. These are the example of parallel line. This is the example of parallel line. This is the example of parallel line. These are the examples of parallel lines. Parallel lines are used in many real world applications such as in engineering and architecture. For example, parallel lines are used to construct bridges, buildings, and roads, and are also used in the design of computer graphics and other visualizations. Parallel lines in mathematics are lines in a two-dimensional area that never cross one another. The sign parallel, this is the sign of parallel line, is used to indicate parallel lines which are always spaced at the same distance apart two vertical lines. In many branches of mathematics, such as geometry and algebra, the idea of parallel lines is crucial. Key information about parallel lines is also follow. If and only if two lines in a plane have the same inclination, they are said to be parallel. In other words, the lines will ultimately cross each other if they have different slopes, equal exterior and internal angles. Characterize parallel lines, for instance, the interior angles on the same side of the transversal and identical when a third line intersects two parallel lines. A line through the midpoint of the side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. In application of above property mean BD is parallel to AB. In figure 4, point B is the midpoint of AC mean AC. Okay, B is the midpoint of AC and BD parallel to AE mean this is the line segment, this is the line segment mean BD. You can say that BD is the parallel line of AE. Okay, therefore from the above property D is also the midpoint of CE mean D is the midpoint of CE. That is measurement AB parallel measurement AB line segment is equal to measurement AB line segment AB, okay, is equal to measurement BC, okay, and BD parallel to AE, BD parallel to BD parallel. You can see that BD is parallel to AE. Okay, so measurement CD is equal to measurement DE. Okay,